It all started with my mom and my dad. They fell in love, and there, they had me. Hi, my name is Lara, a 24-year-old corporate slave. I am now living alone under my own roof. Yup, that's right. I am alone. Well, I got a job. Is it my passion? Nope, not really. But it was what my parents wanted for me anyways. It must be nice to have something you can call your own. Or how does it feel to live up your own dream? I fully immerse myself at work with the thought of my goal, and that is to prove myself to everybody that I can be somebody, that I can live up to everyone's expectations about me. At some point, I forgot about the meaning of life and what it means to be living. To be honest, I don't know anymore when and where it all started. I used to think that getting a job will fulfill me, but I guess not. It feels fine, yes, but at the same time, it feels suffocating. Suffocating that I may have my job, but I haven't really fulfilled anything. What if kaka-cellphone ko lang talaga to? Or what if I'm just not trying hard enough? Or what if I'm just being ungrateful of my life, of my job? Ay, Lara, ang pathetic masyado. Here we go again with having a quarter life crisis. Damn it. It feels like it's already part of my everyday routine. Oh, to be successful just like them. How about me? When will I make it? What exactly is taking me so long to finally say I did it? Back then, I thought it was just an easy peasy. But now, I feel so small. Not gonna lie, I'm really tired that I just wanted to disappear and be born again in another world, where I don't have to follow what my parents wanted for me, for my life, that I get to have my own choices and not solely rely on what my parents told me to do so. I just wish I was brave enough back then to pursue what I really wanted to be. I should have took the risk to follow my dreams and not follow what my parents dreamed for me. I just wish I filled what my heart sings and desires, so that I don't have to feel torn apart, so I don't always have to translate my soul into something that I am not.
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose. Yeah, everybody's life is on display, including you. Yeah, I feel every day is just the same, stuck in a loop. I need some variety, I'm sick of this anxiety, I'm sick of this society. They make us feel a rivalry, compare ourselves to others, but we all got different mothers. We were raised in different structures, so we're different, it's no wonder, yeah. I just want a great life, something where I feel like I just didn't waste time, something I look back and say that was a great time. Cause man, I just hate when the years pass by the wayside. I'm so lost inside, and I need a little time to find who I am in this life. I will find a way to feel.
With all honesty, I don't even feel like I deserve to use my time to play. It's like I could hear my parents' voices behind my head, scolding me because I am playing useless games rather than spending my time to learn new skills that I can apply in my career. In a sense, they are right. Gaming like this doesn't really benefit my career. But what can I do? I feel so suffocated in this endless work cycle. This is my only method to breathe. This is my only escape.
Hey, you alright?
Oh yeah, I'm just thinking about work stuff.
You know what? Chilling like this once in a while isn't that bad.
Yeah, it won't tummy trick career naman or something, no? When ka nga lang ulit namin nakita online eh.
You deserve breaks like this, Lara. Let yourself unwind.
Kaya don't lose yourself into the corporate world, Lara. There's nothing wrong with taking the time off to indulge into your hobbies. Do what you love. Do the things where you're best at. You know what? You should try some entertainments. You can go to concerts, you can go shopping, travel, and everything. We're just here, We're going to support you, okay? Okay, girlie?
Lara, we know na work is important naman. Pero syempre, you shouldn't neglect yourself of things that you love.
Oh, yes, thank you. I understand. I know there's so much more than outside of this corporate life. Thank you. I missed this so much. I missed being worry-free of my work and just have fun with my friends. But do I even deserve this? Do I deserve to spend my hours like this? I am awake at this ungodly hour. Shouldn't I be at least working or learning to hone my skills? For a long time, I lived up following the shadows of others, that it ate my soul and faded my passion. Living up with other people's expectation is such a burden that I had to endure. That it took me so long to have the courage to be brave and realize that it doesn't make you a narcissist to love yourself. To do what makes you happy. To go where you are actually headed. To go where it truly belongs. This is me not running away, but this is me allowing myself to live my life the way I like. From this moment, I have forgiven myself. From this moment, my life has begun. And it may take some time, but FIKA, it is a moment to slow down and appreciate all the good things in life. Because at the end of the day, life shouldn't feel like surviving. It is supposed to be living. This may be too big of a step, but it is a necessity. In order to grow and build myself again, I need to break free on what's keeping me caged. It is scary, I'll be honest. I have no guarantee if I will get my dream job ASAP. It may take me a few weeks, or even a few months. But this is a sacrifice I am willing to take to rekindle my passion in the entertainment industry. Other people's success does not exist to bring your downfall. It is okay to feel jealous, but it is never okay to use their success as the standard for yourself. We have our own pace, our own goals, and our own interests and passions. Small wins are still wins. Let's not be too harsh on ourselves. I've been there, trust me. It'll get better. Don't feel too guilty when you do your hobbies as a way to distress or rest. Gaming isn't bad. Social media isn't bad. Watching Netflix isn't bad. Entertaining yourself and enjoying your media is not bad at all. We just need to learn how to balance it all out and make it more beneficial for us. Corporate job is not for everyone, and that is okay. Relying on your passions and hobbies to turn it into your career is okay, especially now in our days and age where the media is widely used and accepted by all. It is okay to use that to your advantage and build a life and career revolving around it. Creating content has always been my passion, and I regret not following what my heart wants immediately. I love entertaining people, and I am proud to live a life where I am doing where my heart lies.
Hi guys!
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose. Yeah, everybody's life is on display, including you. Yeah, I feel every day is just the same, stuck in a loop. I need some variety, I'm sick of this anxiety.